Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.